It is a great pleasure for me to have been invited to the HLL Lifecare Limited, a Government of India enterprise under the aegis of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, to talk upon the World Environment Day. This is Sutapa Chowdhury from the Department of Anthropology, University of Calcutta. The Environment Protection Act 1986 defines the term environment as one which includes water, air, land, microorganisms, plant, living creatures, human beings, property, and their interrelationship. The interrelationship and interdependency between human beings, nature, and other life forms is the essence of well-being of the human race. As civilization has advanced through the ages, there have been phenomenal achievements in science and technology on the one hand, and exponential degradation of environment on the other. The United Nations General Assembly in 1972 declared 5th June as World Environment Day. Since then, World Environment Day has become one of the most significant platforms for environmental awareness. The United Nations has designated the present decade from 2021 to 2030 as the UN Decade of Ecosystems Restoration. Forests, farmlands, grasslands, savannas, rivers and lakes, oceans and coasts, towns and cities, peatlands and mountains are identified for restoration. Experts had predicted for a long time a pandemic might be the next global crisis, along with climate risks. Viruses are as old as life itself on Earth, and they have existed in wildlife in countless numbers around the world. Due to environmental degradation, the viruses have been transmitted to humans. The new coronavirus, which has taken away hundreds of lives on this planet and has also infected 100 times more, arose from animals. It probably got transmitted from animals to humans at a wildlife market in Wuhan in China. The destruction of natural habitat of animals and caging them in wildlife markets with injuries and without food and water create ideal conditions for pathogens such as coronavirus to get transmitted to humans. The last coronavirus outbreak, the 2003 SARS, also originated in wildlife markets. Human beings have invaded tropical forests and other wild landscapes harboring many species of animals and plants, and thereby have released many unknown viruses. Disruption and destruction of the ecosystem have let loose viruses. Consequently, the viruses displaced from their natural hosts are finding human beings as their hosts. Easy and advanced transportation enabled coronavirus to spread to all parts of the world within weeks. In a world where people, food, and goods constantly travel around the globe, a virus that jumps from an animal to a human can bring about a complete shutdown in several parts of the planet in a short period of time. Thus, environmental protection and preservation of wildlife and restoration of ecosystem directly protects public health. World Environment Day 2021 has therefore rightly chosen its theme as ecosystem restoration. This year, Pakistan will be the global host of World Environment Day. On this auspicious occasion, let us all take an oath to reimagine, recreate, and restore. Thank you.